Are you struggling to create privacy in your open spaces or make a room feel cozier? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Joy-Deco Blackout Curtains. Let's kick things off with the Joy-Deco Blackout Curtains for just $26.99. What caught my eye was their impressive 100% light blocking capability. If you want total darkness for a peaceful sleep, this is worth a serious look. These curtains are crafted from heavyweight faux linen, which not only blocks out all sunlight, but also helps insulate your room against temperature changes. Imagine waking up on a bright morning, only to find that your bedroom remains a calm, dark sanctuary. Plus, they come with dual hanging options, so you can choose between a classic or modern look for your decor. With over 5,000 units sold just this month, it's clear that people are loving them. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. Those thermal properties mean you're not just getting a pretty curtain, you're saving on energy bills too. By keeping the heat in during winter and out during summer, these curtains can be a real money saver in the long run. However, I'll be real with you, some users mentioned that the fabric could feel a bit stiff, especially right out of the packaging. Here's the thing though, once you wash them, they soften up nicely, making it a minor issue in my opinion. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable, stylish solution to keep your space dark and cozy. Skip this one if you want something lightweight and airy, as these are definitely on the heavier side. For the price, you're getting incredible value here. Now, if the weight of the Joy-Deco curtains bothered you, this next one might actually be even better for a lighter feel.
Product number 2, Nanspring Cream Linen Curtains. We have the Nanspring Cream Linen Backtop Curtains at an amazing price of $13.58. The soft, neutral color caught my eye, and if you want something that adds a touch of elegance to your room, these are a fantastic option. These curtains are made from a linen blend that allows just the right amount of light to filter through, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. Imagine hosting a dinner party and these beautiful drapes enhancing the cozy atmosphere. With their 3 hanging options, you can switch up the look to match any decor style. The fact that over 5,000 people bought these recently shows they're a hit. Here's why this matters for you. The lightweight fabric means you can enjoy natural light without sacrificing privacy. They obscure the view from outside while still brightening up your space, which is ideal for living rooms or bedrooms. Now, I did notice some reviews mentioned that these curtains may not block out all light completely. But honestly, if you're looking for light filtering rather than total darkness, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a light, airy feel in your home. Skip this one if you need something that completely darkens your space. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more flexibility. Product number 3, Sunnily Room Divider Curtain Rod. Let's talk about the Sunnily Room Divider No Drilling Curtain Rod, priced at $39.99. What really caught my attention here is the no drill feature, perfect for renters. If you want to create separate spaces without damaging your walls, this is a must-see. This adjustable curtain rod can extend from 28 to 114 inches wide and can be set up between 4 and 10 feet high. So whether you need to divide a large room or just create a cozy corner, this rod has got you covered. You won't have to worry about making holes or dealing with wall damage. With 2,000 units sold last month, it's clear people are finding it useful. Here's why this matters for you. If you live in an apartment or a dorm, this rod allows you to set up curtains quickly without the hassle of traditional installation. It's a game changer for creating privacy in shared spaces. However, I did see feedback regarding the difficulties some people faced with the installation. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the instructions closely and ensure a clean surface, it should be a breeze. This is perfect for you if you're someone who needs a temporary solution that won't leave a mark. Skip this one if you prefer a permanent installation with a more robust look. For the flexibility it offers, I think it's worth every penny. Now, if you're looking for something with a little more blackout capability, let's check out this next product. Product number 4, Joy Deco Blackout Patio Sliding Door Curtains. We have the Joy Deco Blackout Patio Sliding Door Curtains for $19.99. I was drawn to their sleek design and extra width, which is great for larger spaces. If you want something that provides excellent blackout capabilities while looking stylish, this is definitely worth considering. These curtains measure 100 inches wide and 84 inches long, making them perfect for sliding doors or larger windows. With their grommet design, installing them is a breeze, and they block out over 75% of sunlight. Imagine how nice it would be to enjoy your living room without harsh glares or prying eyes. They're also energy efficient, helping maintain a comfortable temperature year-round, which is a big plus. But I'll be honest, some reviews noted that they could be a bit wrinkled upon arrival. However, a quick wash or iron can sort that out easily, making it a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a blend of style and function in your living area. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's lightweight and airy, as these are designed for serious light blocking. For the quality you're getting at this price, it's a solid deal. Alright, that was a great option, but if you need something specifically for doorways, this last pick might be exactly what you're looking for. Product number 5, Christoa Blackout Door Curtains. Let's look at the Christoa Blackout Door Curtains, priced at just $10.49. These caught my attention for their compact design and affordability. If you need a simple solution for doorway privacy, these are a fantastic choice. Measuring 34 inches wide and 80 inches long, these curtains are perfect for standard doorways. They feature grommets that make it easy to slide open and shut. Designed to block out 98% of light, these curtains significantly reduce noise too. So, if you want peace and privacy, these curtains are going to work wonders for you. Plus, they've sold 2,000 units recently, showing that they're popular for a reason. However, some users mentioned that they felt a bit thin compared to heavier options. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for a quick privacy fix without heavy material, these are perfect. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable solution for doorways or smaller spaces. Skip this one if you require something more decorative or heavy duty. For such a low price, you'll be pleasantly surprised at what you get here. To wrap things up, we've covered 5 great room divider curtains that cater to different needs. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Joy Deco Blackout Curtains because they combine functionality with great style, making them perfect for any room needing privacy.